Got a bed, put your name on it. Put your name on it. Got a kiss, put your name on it. Put your name on it.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing another Princess Polly try on haul, which is super exciting because I love filming them. So if you guys don't already know, I'm going to Fiji on the 5th of May, and I really wanted to pick up some cute like tropical like outfits and some swimmers, which I've got on now, and I picked up some cute accessories as well. So if you would like to see what I picked up from Princess Polly, then just keep on watching. I do have a discount code for you guys that I'll leave on the screen and in the description box down below. But if you'd like to see what I picked up from Princess Polly, then just keep on watching. So the first two things I picked up were these two items. So this is some, I think it's Evil Twin, the brand, and they're swimmers, but obviously you could wear it as a bodysuit as well. And then I saw this really cute like crochet type skirt, which I think would look amazing with like any sort of bikini, any bodysuit. And it's just like really kind of like tropical and cute. I got this one in a size small to medium, and then this one is in a medium. I'll zoom you guys up, but like I love the tartan pink pattern, and this is like super flowy. Like if you're not sure what size to get, like see, you can kind of like tighten it here if you can see it, but like I kind of like how it's not like super tight, it's just very like comfortable. But yeah, I just think this skirt's super cute to just throw on like on top of your bikinis, a full piece. You can wear it with a bodysuit like I have, but like I am just like living for this outfit. So this is what the back looks like of the bodysuit slash swimsuit. It's really, really cute. The struggle is real, guys. Oh, this is cute. So this is another crochet dress that you can just put on over some bikinis. Ooh, I like this. I also got this one in a small to medium. It's got a little tie-up thing here, which I'll tie up. So this is the third item I picked up. It's just this crochet type dress that you can also wear just on top of swimmers. So I just paired it with this bodysuit again slash swimmers, but wow, I actually really like it, and it's really comfortable as well. As I said, I got it in a size small to medium. You could definitely dress this up with a belt if you're like wanting to go out for lunch or something, but I think these look really cute like with each other. So yeah, I'm actually living for this. What? Love. While I'm here, I'm gonna try on some shorts as well. Oh, and I also need to show you the shoes. Hold on. Oh my god, I've wanted a pair of these shorts for ages. Just gonna fold these up like that, just because I prefer it folded. Ooh. Oh, I love how like stretchy this top bit is. Oh, these are comfy as fuck. Oh my god, dying. Look how cute these are. Stop. Like, to be honest, when I first saw it on the model, I was like, oh, it probably will look like a nappy on me, like knowing me. But like, it is so cute. This is what the back looks like. I didn't really roll it up properly, but I actually love this. Okay, I'm gonna take this top off now because I feel like I've been in it like the whole video. What should I try on next? Okay, so I'm like low-key obsessed with oversized tees with bike pants recently. Like, seriously, so obsessed. When I saw this on the website, I was like, I need to have it. Obviously, I would just wear it with a belt. Oh my god, that's actually cute. I got this one in a large just because I wanted it to be more like really oversized, but like I usually wouldn't pick up something like this. Okay, I need to show you guys my shoes because I think that is what makes the look. Oh my god, okay, ready? Okay, so I need to show you guys these shoes because I feel like these actually make the look. Let me just get down. How freaking me are these shoes? Like, what? So I, like when the Balenciaga shoes came out, I thought they were a bit much. And then when Windsor Smith brought out their version, I still thought they were a bit much because I'm not really into that kind of look. But then when these came out and I saw that they came in pink and they weren't like too bulky, I was like, I love them. So these are the New Balance. I'll leave a link to everything that I got anyways, but oh my god, I just think they look so cute. So I also picked up some jewelry, and I picked up this necklace, which I think complements this look as well. I also got these two earrings. If you can see, it is a bee, which I think is so cute. Oh my god, don't mind my nail. And then I just got these because they're really nice and plain. I also got the matching bee ring to put on my pointer finger, but how cute. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but this is a fucking vibe. Like, if you guys don't know me, anything leopard, I will buy. I love leopard print. I don't know what has gotten into me these last few months, but like, I'm just obsessed with leopard print. I actually think I'm going through some sort of like midlife, but not really midlife crisis, but like with leopard, and just everything I see that's leopard I buy in the shops. Like, I have a problem. So these aren't actually gym shorts. So you could obviously wear these kinds of shorts with like this top because it matches and it says baby girl and it's so cute. Or you could wear it with like an oversized like black tee, white tee. I actually bought this Harley Davidson like vintage oversized t-shirt the other day, and I think that they would match like perfectly, but these would just match anything, like crop top, any plain like black, white, orange, yellow t-shirts. Like, I just think, oh, even with these shoes, I feel like my fashion has like slowly getting a bit more edgy rather than girly, but then still like me. As I said before, this top is also from Princess Polly. This one's in a size medium. These are also in a size medium, and they're actually like they're pretty flattering. Like, I don't normally wear short bike shorts, but this is a vibe, so yeah, I love it. Oh my god. Guess what the next pair of pants that I got? Just guess the print. When I saw these as well, I'm like so sweaty by the way. When I saw these on the website, I was like, nah, like dead. Like, I need these as well. God, you guys probably think I need help. I probably do, to be honest. Hold on, let me just pull this down. So these are the pants. Like, what? They're in a size 10, and I think they fit really perfectly. They're not too tight, and they've got like a little bit of room here. Like, it's not like restricting too much. So, you know, if you go out and you have a food baby, like, you'll be sweet. I actually am obsessed. I probably wouldn't wear it with this top. This is more of a casual top. This is more of like a going out type top, but I would definitely wear it with like a crop or even like a bodysuit. I don't know, but I'm really feeling it. But yeah, I don't know, I'm just like really feeling the leopard vibe, and these tights are actually quite flattering. I didn't think they would be on my body type because they were like skin tight on the model, but they actually are really, really nice, and the material is as well. So yeah, I'm actually really glad I got these ones. Last two things I got was a denim skirt. I just needed a new one. This one is the A brand, and it is in a size 10, I'm pretty sure, but I'll leave everything down below if I miss it. And then this is in a Fens cropped tight tee, which I think looks really cute with it. You can either wear it on top of the buckle or even tucked in if you like. But yeah, it is a little bit see-through, but oh well, embrace the nips. Like, still wearable see-through, do you know what I mean? But yeah, I actually really like this outfit together. And this is actually really flattering, this skirt. I didn't think it would be because it's not stretchy. Like, when I put it on, it is quite fitted and tight around here, but it's really surprisingly comfortable. And yeah, I really, really like this outfit together. And it would look really cool with the white shoes as well. So yeah, that's everything that I picked up from Princess Polly. So that is everything I picked up from Princess Polly. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you want to see more, let me know in the comments down below and I will happily film more for you guys. Don't forget to use my discount code, which I'll leave here on the screen once again. And all the items that I picked up today will be in the description box down below. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.